Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix assets not loading. It's easy. If you want to fix it, all you need to do just click here and then type task manager and click on it. Now maybe you will find like that, you find it like that, just click more details and then go to memory to see applications that takes your memory, like Google Chrome as you see here. And now once you're here, what you need to do is you need to close all the applications that you don't need, like Google Chrome. If you are running Roblox in the application, now just right click on it and click in task, and also OBS and all the applications here that you don't need, and that's it. After that, just right click on Roblox and run as administrator, and that's it. You will find that your problem is fixed. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.